Okay, in this video we're going to look at setting up an RSS feed. So on your MailerLite account under the dashboard, we're going to go to Campaigns. So you see I'm already on that screen, and this is where we set up our little welcome email. So here on the orange bar where it says Create Campaign, you're going to click the little arrow and you're going to choose RSS Campaign. They want your RSS feed URL, and that's going to be your site. So for me, it's rooserubs.com. I'm going to put the / and type the word feed, and then I can have MailerLite look it up for me, and they'll verify that that's accurate. So I have the green check mark, so we're good to go. They have found my feed. And the subject, you can, if you put out a lot of content, there are some fashion bloggers that have daily, like the daily looks, what I'm wearing today, what's new in cosmetics, this show that I went to, that kind of thing. So you can share that stuff with your subscribers daily or whatever settings you want. I'm just going to say new on the blog, just for my subject. It's going to be from Rubs, and that's the address. It's going to be English, and we're going to go next. So I want to send every day. So let's say I want to do it at noon. We'll just do noon every day. And only on these days. Let's say we don't want to send anything on the weekend. And I'm going to pick Tuesdays and Thursdays because I don't blog that often. I don't even do twice a week, but anytime there's new content, it'll send for me on a Tuesday or a Thursday. Show only new post and notifications. I'm going to have MailerLite notify me when it's been sent. Then I'm going to say next. I'm not really going to say it, I'm going to click it. So then we need to select a template. So I'm going to choose the drag and drop editor. Or you can also choose blog updates. I could have done that. So these are the blogs that are there now. So it's showing us an example. So it did save my logo, but as we did in prior recordings, we are going to work on this header image where we've got the green in there. So we want to keep our logo, so we don't need to edit that image. We're just going to click Save here and get back to our drag and drop editor. And we're going to go to Design. And we're going to choose the Rubs because it is saved in there, and that just takes the green off for us. And you could put more elements in there if you want, just using the drag and drop like we did for other things. I think that's fine, just having the logo at the top. And this is the part where you'll choose your recipients, and I wouldn't want to send to all active subscribers. I would want to have a group. That would be, I would name it RSS Feed, and I would put something with on the, maybe the footer on the blog page, so that every blog that you post, there was an option for somebody to opt in to get updates. So every time you post a blog, you know, would you like to see the latest on the blog? Click here to sign up. And people will sign up if they're interested in your topic. So you can have an RSS group, and you would just check that here. We'll just check recipes because that's kind of what this blog is all about. Next is to review and confirm. Okay, so your subject is new on the blog, or you could say what's happening in New York, or whatever goes with your company and the message that you're wanting to send. have your sender's name. Then you can preview your content, which we know that it's fairly plain, just our logo and the latest on the blog. We've chosen our group, and you can edit that if you've selected the wrong one. And then our settings. It's going to be sent on Tuesdays and Thursdays at noon. Only the new post will be shown. So if I don't add a new blog for a month, nothing is going to go out for a month. The very next one that I do will go out to my list. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next and Schedule, because I think I'm the only person in that group right now. So it's not going to go to anyone. So it's ready for delivery. So every Tuesday and Thursday at noon, anything new will go out. So if I do one a week and say I go in and I blog every Wednesday, then it's just going to deliver every Thursday at noon. If I go in, Monday and Wednesday, then I'll have one delivered Tuesday and Thursday. Or if I go in Monday, it'll go out Tuesday, that kind of thing. And I'm just going to click Send. And this is all set up. So now my RSS feed is set up. So anytime anyone subscribes, they're going to be added to that list, and they'll get anything new going forward.